Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play music on your PS5 using a USB drive. So the process for this is very simple and almost identical to how it was on the PS4. The two supported file formats are MP3 and FLAC. For some reason, PlayStation says that it supports AAC, but it doesn't work on my end, so I'm just going to say these are the two that you should go for. So I have these two files ready, and the first thing that you want to do is plug your USB into a computer, and we want to locate it in our file explorer so we can just find it. And the first thing that you want to do is make sure that it's formatted correctly. So you can just go head over to Format, and then under File System, you want the file system to be either exFAT, like I have here, or FAT32. NTFS is not supported, so if you're on that, you're going to have to reformat. And if you do reformat, it's going to wipe your drive, so make sure to back up all of your files. So we can just do a quick demo of that right here. Just press Start, press OK, and you're good to go. So now if we head over to our USB directory, you're going to want to create a folder called Music. So the folder has to be exactly like this, and all of your music has to go into this top directory folder. If it doesn't, it's not going to be recognized, and you can create folders within the music folder if you want to have different playlists. So we can just drag our two files into this folder, make sure that they're in there, and we're good to go. So now let's head over to the PS5 and see if these files show up. So on the PS5, the first thing that you want to do is open up the control center by pressing the PlayStation button on your controller. Once you have this, you want to go to the music icon, and if you don't have a music icon, you're going to have to toggle it on. So you can press the options button on your controller and then toggle on the music icon. This is the only place that you can control your music, so make sure that you have it enabled, and once you have it, you can just select it and you're going to see your USB drive on this menu. And you can just select it and you're going to see all of your songs. So we can see our two songs here. Unfortunately, I can't actually play these songs because I'm using a capture device on the PS5. But trust me, on your end it will work. You have controls to play music, rewind, fast forward. In fact, I will record quickly with my phone to show you exactly how that works. So that's all I've got for this video. Hopefully I could help, and if there's any updates to this process, I'll make sure to make a new video. So stay tuned if there's any changes, because the PS5 right now, lots of things will be changing soon. There's some bugs that need to be fixed. So we'll see if they create a dedicated music app in the future. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.